Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Interstate 10 Twin Span Bridge is one of the most iconic stretches of roadway in southern Louisiana. Spanning Lake Pontchartrain, the twin span connects eastern New Orleans with the city of Slidell, carrying tens of thousands of vehicles across open water every day. The bridge system is known as the twin span because it consists of two parallel bridges, each carrying traffic in opposite directions. Together, they stretch for nearly 6 miles, making them among the longest bridge crossings in the region. From this vantage point, the lake appears vast and almost ocean-like, with changing light, shifting winds, and wide open horizons that are unique to this part of the Gulf Coast. Lake Pontchartrain itself is not a true lake, but a large estuary connected to the Gulf of Mexico. For centuries, it has played a major role in transportation, trade, and settlement in southern Louisiana. Indigenous peoples traveled these waters long before European arrival, and later the lake became central to the development of New Orleans as a port city. The original twin span bridge opened in the mid-1960s, replacing ferry routes that once carried travelers across the lake. At the time, it was considered an engineering achievement, dramatically shortening travel time between New Orleans and the North Shore communities. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused catastrophic damage to the original bridges. Massive storm surge and wave action displaced large sections of roadway, making the crossing unusable. In the aftermath, the twin span became a powerful symbol of both the storm's destruction and the region's resilience. The bridge we're driving on today is part of a rebuilt and reinforced structure that reopened just 1 year later. Engineers incorporated stronger foundations, higher elevations, and improved storm resistance, reflecting lessons learned from the hurricane. The reconstruction was completed in phases, restoring a vital transportation link for residents, emergency services, and commerce. This crossing serves as a reminder of how closely life in southern Louisiana is tied to water, engineering, and adaptation. The Twin Span Bridge is more than just a roadway, it's a lifeline that connects people, history, and landscapes across Lake Pontchartrain.